So this is a fucking hand, right? So and this is the fist token. The fist token should go with the hand or the martial arts attacking symbol. So yeah, we'll do that one. Try and basically match the tokens with the images. The image. Alright, that's a dragon, so... Is there a dragon here? That's a... No, that's a crane, so this is the dragon one. So dragon goes to the dragon. Get the fuck in there. A turtle. I guess a turtle should go with the crane, to be honest. Because the other ones didn't make any sense, to be honest. Okay, Pokemon Sword and Shield, you know, we got that new game coming out, or it already came out yesterday. Pokemon Sword and Shield. Thank God for Pokemon. Sun and Moon, or Sun and Stars, Game of Thrones. And then, okay, sick. There you go. Thank goodness for Lao Ju, the wine.